Okay, so we're turned around again. So this is the back of the house. It's a huge deck coming down. I really like that deck. Again, with big pillars, useful under space under there. We all put sofas and barbecue, etc., etc. Then we have the back corner, which we just seen. There's the black compost bin, and the grassy area in the middle is our septic field. Not a big one, but it doesn't need to be. And then we have this wonderful workshop, which is going to be the venue for Red Shoes home staging. So let me take you inside, because I'm kind of sold on this. Now then, look at this. Huge space. This is going to be where Red Shoes is going to hang out. We're going to get it drywalled and racked up. Put my desk in here, get all my bits in here, and get going with the business.